Hey guys, Carl here. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Rising Internet Security. It's a program from China, and how this works is I've got a virtual machine. It's Windows XP Service Pack 2. Part 1 is going to be installation and features, and Part 2 is going to be the testing. Files 82 megs. It's meant to be really popular in Asian continents. It's a clean PC, so don't need to scan the memory. This install takes quite a while compared to the others. It disconnects me for the internet, I guess, while it's installing its network drivers or whatever. Okay, I gotta restart Windows. I'll pause the video and I'll get back. Okay, this is cool. It's got the little line thing at the top left. Takes a little while when it starts up because it's doing its thing. No, I'll pause it while it does this because it does take a little while. I'll be back. Okay, back. This is just when I started it up. You can join the cloud security, and that means Rising Cloud Security users communicate with the Rising Virus Lab to form a rapid response network which quickly catches Trojans and other malware. That sounds pretty cool. We won't register. Hang on. I guess I'd still provide that protection even if you don't. And here's password. If you want to set a password. Startup scans, embedded scan for Office and IE and Outlook. See network. Automatic updates. Okay, this is only a trial. That's pretty good, 92 days for a trial. I haven't used this for a while, so I'm new to this as well. Home shows you what's going through the network. Scan, yeah, you just scan. Defenses. We're gonna go into active defense. Where is it? I think you can get to all the settings just through one. Yeah, here we go. The scan setup. Anything extra? We're mainly interested in the active defense and auto protect because that's what we're going to be testing today. So put this up. Monitor file modification. That's pretty cool. So if something's unknown to the virus scanner and something tries to modify a normal file, then it wouldn't let it. So email monitor, I don't so much cares for that. System reinforcement. And here is somewhat of a HIPS. That looks pretty cool. We'll just put it up high. We'll see how that goes. Application control allows the user to monitor operational status of applications and block suspicious behavior of processes. Malicious behavior interceptor. Put up high. USB DVD. That's pretty cool. Web Trojan. Self protection. And prompt when a rule is triggered. Guess that'd be good. Custom whitelist. If anything's good, you don't want it to be flagged. from the active defense. Net monitor, your firewall and stuff, what's all that sort of stuff. So looks like it's got a fairly decent setup. Intrusion prevention system, intrusion detection, sorry. Outbound, rising password, cloud security. I'll join it. Okay, there we go. It's pretty cool. We'll just set it to like nothing at the moment, just in case. Because when you try to uninstall Rising, it does prompt you for a password. So here you go. It has a little capture thing there. So you can't. So say like malware can't or get into it. Okay. Net control. Yeah, we've already been here. Here's the little tools. Just a little extra. This dude is just like a little line down there. Yeah, all that sort of stuff. Shows your computer security level and all that stuff. Can you fix it all at once? Let's see. Seems like you can't fix everything all at once, but you can click on it. Okay, well, I think that shows everything here. Yeah, I'll end it there. Part 2, I'm going to be testing it. I'll update the virus database. And yeah, I'll see you in part 2 when we're testing 10 malicious URLs. See ya.